Guide on how to make reels from photos using the Capcut app. So first, open the Capcut app. You're going to select New Project. From here, it's easiest to just click on Photos at the top, so it brings up all your photos. So pick a photo or multiple photos or whatever you want to do. Depending on how many photos you have, it might be easier to do it this way. Just click on one photo, click Add. By default, they go to 3-second duration, which is kind of long for a still photo, so a lot of times I like to cut that down to 2 seconds, but whatever you want is your choice. Once you have that, highlight it, go to duplicate, and just keep hitting duplicate for as many pictures as you are going to have. Once you've done that, you can simply click on the next one, scroll on the bottom to replace. It'll bring up your photos again. From here, you can put a different photo in, go to the next one, click on it, replace. And finally, replace there. Okay, so now you have all your photos. So now the next thing is to choose your transitions between the photos. So you just click this little vertical line between the two photos. It'll bring up your list of transitions. Now, if you don't have Pro, you're not going to be able to use some of these, but the ones that don't say Pro are the ones that you are able to use for free. So let's just pick this one. And then you get a little icon at the bottom for your duration, how long you want the transition to take place. So all the way is 1 second. If you want to do the same transition for all photos, just simply hit apply to all, hit the checkbox, and now you will see that vertical line is changed to the CapCut symbol, and here is your transitions. If you decide that you want a different transition for one of them, all you got to do is click on it. It'll bring up your transitions again. Simply go and find the one you want to use, hit checkbox, and now this one has changed. Now, if you'd like to add text, that'll be in another video. Thank you.